How to delete a row in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Excel, Microsoft Excel or your Google spreadsheet. Now in order to select a row, simply select one row or one column in a row and then hit Shift and spacebar. Now all the cells in your row will be selected. Now in order to delete that specific row that you just selected, you will have to select or you'll have to tap on Control and minus, and that will simply remove the row. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.